Hi, I'm Hendy Michel. Welcome to this video Serie 2 on Python GUI calculator using Tkinter. In the previous video, we created the user interface. Now we are going to bring life to our interface by adding functionalities. As you can see, our interface calculator is useless. When we click on a button, nothing happens. To fix that, we are going to add bit by bit some functionalities to our calculator. Let's start with our display label. We need a way to communicate with our label. To do so, we need to create a Tkinter variable. Let's create it, eval, and we declare it. It's gonna be a string, type of string, tk dot string. Var. This is our Tkinter variable, and also we need to link this variable with our label. To do so, we are going to use the text variable property. Let's say text variable property of our label, and we're gonna call here we're gonna link it with the Tkinter variable eval. And now let's ask our label to display 7. The way we do that, we use our variable eval that we use the set method and we put 7. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Our label display 7. Now we need a way to display any button we click on. If we click on 7, it should be able to display 7. If we click on 1, it should be able, any button we click on, it should be able to display the text of the button. At this point, we are going to define a function where whatever number we want to display, we pass it as argument to our function. Let's define our function. Let's call it button click, and the argument should be value. We're gonna need a variable expression variable, and whenever it should be a global variable, global variable. Let's define it here, expression, wow, equal, it should be a string. Okay, now we can, every time we click on a button, we're gonna update the expression string variable. It's gonna be expression. We're gonna concatenate it with the value, and then we're gonna set our Tkinter variable, that's set to expression. Okay, we set our Tkinter variable, the expression. Let's make sure that value is a string. Okay, now we are sure that value is a string. Python has two powerful data structures, list and dictionary. We already use list to hold the text property of our button. Now we are going to use dictionary to pair the text on the button with the calling function. Let's create our dictionary. Dic func equal curly bracket. We're gonna pair the text 1 as key to the calling function, which is button click. Button click 1. Anytime we call a function with argument, we need to use the lambda function. The lambda function, because it's gonna be in a widget. Let's do the same thing. Let's try to display 2 to our label. We're gonna use 2 as a key, and we pair it with lambda button click, and we pass 2. Now we have our dictionary. We're gonna use the comment property of our button to access our dictionary. Let's do that. Command echo we said dic func that get cell. That's how we're gonna access, because cell is the text property hold the cell variable. And let's give a height to our button. Let's say height with the comma here. Height, let's give a height of 2 pixels. And let's try it. Here we go. Let's try to display 1. Hey, 1, hey, 1, way, and 2, 2. Wow, that's great. That's great. 1 and 2, they do their job. Let's add all the number in our dictionary. Let's copy that. We copy that and gonna paste it here. This is number 3. Number 3. We do the same here. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Do the same here. Okay, let's take it here. Number 5. Control V. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. 6. Seven. Control V. 7. 7. 8. Control V. 8. We have 2 more left. 9. Control V. 9. 9. And 0. That's the last one. 0. 0. Now we have all our number in that dictionary. Now we need to define a function to clear our display variable. Let's do that. Define. Let's call it button clear. There is no argument for that one. We're gonna use the global variable expression. We're gonna set our Tkinter variable. That's set to an empty string, and the expression variable expression to an empty string. We need to add it on our dictionary. C. Let's put capital C. Okay. We call the button function the button clear function. The button clear function. Button clear. Let's put this function on the top. There we go. Now let's give it a try. Let's say 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5. Anything you want to display, and you can clear it. Good job. You must be happy if you get there. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will keep adding more functionality. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comment and subscribe.